Welcome to my honest review of the TradeZero brokerage platform. If you're a beginner or even an experienced trader, this video will break down the features of TradeZero in a clear and straightforward way, helping you understand if it's the right platform for you. TradeZero has gained attention with its zero-commission trading offer, making it an attractive choice for cost-conscious traders. Let's start with the platform's user experience. TradeZero's interface is sleek and easy to navigate, whether you're on desktop or mobile. It offers various tools that enhance trading efficiency, from advanced charting to real-time market data. You can even execute trades after hours, giving you flexibility in managing your investments. But the real standout feature is its zero-commission trading, which means you save money on every trade. This alone makes it appealing for traders looking to maximize profits. Of course, no platform is perfect. One of the key drawbacks with TradeZero is that while it offers zero commission on certain trades, others may incur costs, especially when using advanced tools. Additionally, certain account fees, like platform fees for higher-level tools, can be a disadvantage if you're not trading frequently. Are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXPT offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXPT, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. Back to TradeZero, the service offers unique features like short locates, which allow traders to borrow stocks for short selling. This is especially useful for day traders who need access to these tools quickly. Plus, TradeZero's routing options let you choose how your order is executed, a feature more advanced traders will appreciate. In terms of pricing, you'll find that TradeZero operates on a competitive model. The free platform option gives you access to the essentials, but for those needing advanced tools and direct market access, you'll encounter additional costs. That's something to keep in mind if you're planning to take advantage of the higher-end trading tools. To wrap up this review, TradeZero offers a solid experience for traders, especially those looking to trade without the drag of commissions. While it has some extra costs for premium services, its overall package is competitive in the market. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and let me know in the comments if you tried TradeZero or if you have any questions about this platform.